In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Dollartub to PayPal. So this should be a quick and easy process. You can request your payment when your account balance has reached at payment thresholds, and payments are sent as a preloaded electronic fund transfer. You will receive the fund to your email address or bank account, and then you can easily cash it out via PayPal, Paytm, bank transfer, PhonePe, etc. Payments are issued at the end of each week of the earnings of previous week. However, you need to verify your account before you can receive the funds to your payment account. The verification process begins as soon as you submit your first payment request. Your account must be verified in order to receive a payment, and all earnings listed or represented by dollartub.com are estimated value and subject to change with or without notice. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.